In the gentle glow of sunset light, I see your face and my heart takes flight. Every moment with you is a dream come true. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to be with you. You're the melody that fills my heart, the rhythm that makes our love never depart. In your eyes my soul finds a home. With you I am never alone. Your touch ignites a burning fire, melting my fears, soothing my desire. With every kiss, our love grows strong. In your arms my heart beats all day long. You're the melody that fills my heart, the rhythm that makes our love never depart. In your eyes my soul finds a home. With you I am never alone. Together we'll dance under starry skies. With every breath our love will never die. Through life's ups and downs we'll stand as one. Forever and always our love will have won. You're the melody that fills my heart, the rhythm that makes our love never depart. In your eyes my soul finds a home. With you I am never alone. No. In your love I find my peaceful place, a haven where time and space erase. With you my heart beats with glee. Forever and always, my love, you'll be with me.